This teaching podcast came in pieces. I was aware of this creation process and waited until all the pieces were put together by the light in which I live. And then one day wrote it down. This is a message through me and from me, created by the light which I am. Let it speak to you with the energy which is inside it and invoke something inside you, awaken you. The fields around our house are telling me something which I can feel and sense because I live in the same energy of creation. They are telling me in energy that the growth has already begun after a long winter time sleep, even it can be not seen yet. The swans are back, and today came 2 cranes. I saw them walking and eating on the south side field. Lila, our youngest cat, who is now more outside, learning the skills to live in the nature, with the nature looked them curiously, but did let them be. She's growing up in the light like me and her mom Usva and big brother Jättis. And so are Luna, our German Shepherd dog, and the 3 horses, one Andalusian Caribou and 2 Finn horses, Via and Mera. There is 1 horse coming to me when I have take Mera. She is present in the light and one day here with me and the others. Also other birds like blackbirds and the crows and magpies are looking food from the fields and the yard. More birds will come later. So the spring is coming and will give me more energy, which nature is more active than the energy during the winter. My spiritual growth continues and more connected with the divine light, the creative energy. For me, it is like combination of nature's and divine's energy. Actually, they are the same energy as Shiva taught me in the Ma Shi Va Ya meditation. The elements earth, water, fire, air and ether are present here in the earth and in the energy world. This planet Earth was created for us to grow as souls, and springtime is a good way to start the growth of your own creative life. I planted basil and oregano seeds to pots, and they are now starting to grow in the kitchen table where they get a lot of sun's light. Imagine if you would have financial possibility to have 2 homes in different time zones, so that you have possibility to live one spring and summer time in one and move after summer is over to the other and start new springtime and continue another summer. 2 springs and summers during the year, no more autumns and winters. Would that be your paradise? You would get something but lose something very valuable. The natural flow of energy which the seasons of the year in this planet offers you. from more active phase of spring and summer to more calming down phase of autumn and winter. A natural flow of energy which offers you the different meditative phases naturally during the year. I have played with the idea myself, but my choice today would be the nature flow, like sun's yearly travels from one zodiac sign to another, starting from Aries and ending to the Pisces. Vedic year and months with different energies are born from these travels, from his travels. So to you this happens in every time zone you live, and were you aware of this or not? You can't change it or deny it. The more you can deny that every morning sun rises and every evening it goes down. Sun is traveling from the Pisces to Aries and spring is coming. And my life is a vision in the light with roots deep in the ground. Enjoy the coming spring and your life. Hope you enjoyed this awakening teaching and it did invoke something inside you. There are many people who would love this, but it will not reach them in the jungle of internet. So share it through your own channels and enjoy the starting springtime and the coming Vedic New Year. Thank you.